Welcome to DriveFails. From reckless drivers diving headfirst into chaos to runaway vehicles triggering a storm of destruction, everything collides right here. Watch closely and remember to keep your grip firm on the wheel. Fasten your seatbelt. The ride begins now. Who didn't give way to whom? One could have accelerated and the others slowed down earlier. It looks like this driver lost his focus while driving. Probably looking at his cell phone? A scene almost like something out of an action movie. Unfortunately, it was reality. A very common situation where overtaking a truck can end fatally.
Oh, look at that car.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, no.
He went all the way off the shoulder. He wasn't watching.
If you see something like this, don't look. Stop and ask the driver if they need help. Have you ever had a situation like this? Let me know. One of these two went in the opposite direction. Which one was it? Do you think it was due to micro-sleep or just inattention? Why did it roll over at such a slow speed? Speeding through a red light and a tragic accident is inevitable. You can be any good driver. Such a situation cannot be predicted. Inattention plus late braking equals accident. An unenviable situation. This was really unpredictable. guess who shouldn't have entered the intersection? Can this situation be considered hit and run? What kind of idiot was this? Explain it to me. Driving in the wrong direction at night? Come on, people, be careful what you do. One of them shouldn't have entered the intersection. Do you know which one? Be careful in the event of an accident. Slow down and pull over to the side of the road so you don't become a direct participant in the accident. Loss of control over the vehicle when the right axle entered the lawn. Huge luck for the police and the self-preservation teams in this accident. What do you think? Black or green? Whose fault was it? And again, another accident caused by fast driving and bad reactions. Bad guess when overtaking. Thank God no one was hurt. So again, who made the mistake? The red car or the SUV? In this case, the culprit was a fugitive criminal. Recalling arguments on the highway while driving? Is this normal? Can someone explain to me how a car can flip over like this? Is this common in an accident? Thanks for the comment. Here it is immediately clear that the SUV was turning from the lane that was used for driving straight and not for turning left. What kind of idiot was this individual? Notice how the foot holds the door open.
Holy shit! Oh my God!
One vehicle driving fast, and the other being inattentive when changing lanes. I don't know who was at fault, but fixing that Ferrari is going to be really expensive.